Let's see what it is. There isn't like a return address, so I'm not really sure where it's from. Oh. Okay, it's a bar of soap. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is really pretty. Natural cream silk soap. Oh, no. This was a gift that I got for myself from my friend in Scotland, or I guess she's in England. I'm not sure exactly where she's at. And anyway, she has a wonderful accent, and I love listening to her soap because of her fantastic accent. But this is from Karen. Oh, I got a 10% off my next order. Oh, this is awesome. So this is from Eden's Secret. And when I watched her make this one, I just had to have a bar. So I am going to use this one right away. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. Natural Fireside. I was really interested in the fragrance for one, and her use of color is so good that I needed a bar of this up. And oh girl, oh, I think I'm gonna use every bit of this sparkle bar. I love her signature gold glitter. Like, this is on almost every bar. Isn't that beautiful? Thank you, Karen. I'm so excited. This is so pretty. And I like the scent. That's really interesting. Fireside, that's so gorgeous. And she has a new shipping policy for one bar, and this is huge. This is like 2 bars. This is like, if I weighed this, I bet it would be like 6 ounces. It's huge, or maybe even more. How much is it? Doesn't say, or at least I can't read it because I don't have my glasses on. Well, I've been wondering. It does say 250 grams, I think. So it's like half a pound. It's like an 8-ounce bar. Check out that color. Happy birthday to me. I'm already starting. Let's try this glittery goodness. Let's see. Oh, look at those bubbles. So pretty. I'm going to have the prettiest soap sitting on my shelf this month. With anyone. That's got lots of big bubbles. Good job, Karen. Oh, wow. Amazing. And it smells like designer perfume. Love it. Love it. Love the lushness of that. Thank you, Karen. It's gorgeous. Just gorgeous.